Well, there you have it. Hello fellow adventurers, Sushi here. Today we're on the Appalachian Trail up at Bake Oven Knob, and I'm trying to learn how to do transitions, so let's go see what we find. This is a nice little hike. It's about 15 minutes to a beautiful rock outcrop with a nice vista, so it makes a good place to learn how to do some video.
The narrow path gently rises, its surface of small, loose rocks crunching with every step. While the birds' melodies fill the air, the sunlight filters through the dense foliage, casting a green hue. Slowly releasing a deep breath brings tranquility. Yet this journey serves a dual purpose, immersing oneself in nature and refining the craft to blend nature's marvels into a visual symphony. Pressing onwards, I stumble over the rocks as they increase in size. The steeper trail makes it difficult to find areas to place the camera, and I start to doubt, can I capture the intended landscape?
So we're approaching the top here, and it's getting super rocky. Hopefully we get a good view because it's actually starting to get overcast. I don't know, we'll see what we find.
The rugged terrain gave way to the cliff's edge. The vista presented a view of the valley, the sky turning golden as the sun made its way to the horizon.
Well, there you have it, adventurers. The vista from Bake Oven Knob. It's actually really nice because it's about sunset, so you're getting that orange and everything. It really is beautiful. I'm always grateful to have you guys with me. Remember, life's an adventure. Keep on keeping on.